us until spring breaks free.
Probably gonna start a fight. I know this can't be right. Hey baby, come on. I loved you in this meaning. You weren't meant for me, so now it's time to live and make it alone. I know that I can't take no more. It ain't no lie. I wanna see you out that door, baby. Bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna be a fool for you. Just another player in your game for two.
you gotta remember my name, my name. Said you gotta remember my name. I'm alive and not cold, black and gold, just fine. Said you gotta remember my name. Start to the end, rather lose or win. Family for a friend, you gotta remember my name. My name, my name, yeah, yeah, yeah. Said you gotta remember my name. I'ma give a reason to remember me. Come on,
listen, I promise to be nothing short of a G. Never beg for mercy, never seeing me flee. Got blood on my knife, got cash in my jeans. Did dirt in my life, having nightmares in my dreams. I remember my father, I was watching him suffer. Help me, Heavenly Father, don't let my life get rougher. And you gotta forgive me, even after I'm dead, niggas gon' never forgive me. I got homies I love that I lost in the game. In my mind they saying they gon' remember your name. If they love you, it's cool, give them a reason to hate you. I ain't chasing the fame.
Said you gonna remember my name. Not cold, black and gold, just fine. Said you gonna remember my name. Start to the end, rather lose or win. Family for a friend, you gonna remember my name. My name, my name, yeah, yeah. Said you gonna remember my name. Yeah, yeah. I wish I never
Imagine a casket, imagine me in it. Now take your time and try to picture this kind of vision. My funeral, my homies dead, my mama crying. My son is hurt, his daddy gone, now say goodbye. I'm just a memory, baby, do you remember me? Gave y'all all a good reason just to remember, see. Now I'm reaching heavenly, I'ma leave a legacy. My niggas gon' swear on my name and pour out Hennessy. They gon' say I did it all, started out with Nix and crack. Look at that, before he went to jail, he ain't even rap. Came home in the street, back up on the block again. Out of nowhere, street nigga killed the rat game.
I'm alive and not cold, black and gold, just fine. Said you gonna remember my name. Start to the end, rather lose or win. Family for a friend, you gonna remember my name. My name, my name, yeah. Said you gonna remember my name. My name, yeah, yeah.
Give them a reason to remember you. Left a mark in the hood, made a mark in the world. Went straight from the hood to the top of the world. You can tell that I'm different, you can see that I lived it. When I'm gone, you gon' remember me clearly and vivid. The face of an angel, the heart of a lion. Champion spirit, blessed with the will of surviving. You remember the face, you remember the game. When it's said and done,
Said you gonna remember my name. Not cold, black and gold, just fine. Said you gonna remember my name.
That voice in your head that keeps telling you you got this, lie to you. And now everybody's watching. You should've worked a little harder.